Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Every year at Christmas, for many, many years, I have been making what we're going to be doing today, which is a still life Christmas dome. My boys, even though they are far too old to be enjoying this type of designing, they still do. It sits at my front door. When everybody comes in, they always take a moment to have a look to see what I have gathered for this year's little visual treat. Now this glass dome is very, very old, and every time I use it, it's one of those moments of I'm frightened I'm going to break it. But you can buy different shapes. Go to Alibaba or Astar or any of those online shops in the sky. I love it because it's got this lovely rusticy base, which is going to be just perfect. And the other thing is that I know that the glass is going to sit around and into here. So I know that this bit in here is the area of which I've got to design with. Now I've got a length, a bit of a, I don't know, a bit of spruce or whatever this stuff is here, which I'm going to use as my base. And I'm just going to sit that for there right for now. I've also got this lovely wooden tree. I've got these lovely little ceramic little moose that I've found. I also found a star that I thought we might be able to incorporate into it. And I've got some lovely little red berries that I can use with it. Okay, so you need to make sure before you get into it that all of this is going to basically fit into there. Well, it sort of kind of is, I think. All right, so I'm going to put that down into there like that first, and then with my little moose, which I just absolutely love and adore, I think if I'm very careful, I may get two, I can get two and I can't get three, but that's okay because this one can sit on the outside. I've got with my berries, what I'm going to do with those is I'm just going to put, just break those down. And I think I've got room for one little set of berries that can sit up into there like so, and then I just feel like I would like a little bit more of that. Now this is where you have to sort of like, will it go or won't it go? And I'm not going to spray it because to spray and to glue is going to absolutely ruin the, now I've got to find this, a place for that. Maybe I could just put that up into there. And as for the star, I think I'll put the star around the back and I'll just break a couple of these little bits here off and just push those in and around the base. But honestly, last year I decided I wasn't going to do it, and there was such a big fuss from my boys because I hadn't done it that I just thought, well, all right, then I'll just stick with tradition and just do it. But, you know, something nice about decorating for special occasions throughout the year, isn't it? So I would love to have put a whole heap more into there, but I just know that I cannot. I want a bit round there. So we'll put that into there, pile that up, and then this is the moment where we have to make sure that it all fits together. Gently, gently, gently placing the glass down over the top like so. Oh yeah, that's looking cute. And now, just to make it look a little bit more Christmassy, I'm just going to bring that around the sides, and then with the berries, oh, hold on, I'll just cut those off, for goodness sake. If I'd done this before I started, but to be, you know, honest, I didn't quite know where this was going. So we're all involved in the moment of what does this Christmas look like. That can just go up into there. That can go down into there like, oops, are you going to stay there? Please stay there. That can go to there, and then I'll bring that around to there. And the great thing now is that when you look at this side, the berries go on, and when you look at that side, the berries run through under the dome and then out the other side. And then that, his little friend, can sit patiently out the other side, willing to be allowed to go in. Merry Christmas. I'll see you again another day.